Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to get this easy Indian festive look. I've paired orange lips with simple eyes for this look, and I've added a pair of earrings to give that easy festive look. I hope you enjoy watching the tutorial, and if you do so, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much. To start off, I've used a primer from L'Oreal and I've applied it all over my face to give a smooth complexion all over. Next, I've used this combination of Illuminator by Revlon and foundation by L'Oreal Paris, and I've applied the combination all over my face, on my neck area, and I've blended that using my beauty blender. I've used Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I've applied it under my eyes to give a highlighted effect, and I've blended it using a beauty blender. I've also applied the concealer on my forehead, on the bridge of the nose, and also around my mouth area, and blended all of that using that same beauty blender. I've used this contour kit from Freedom, and I'll be applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, on the sides of my forehead, and on my hairline, followed by the jawline. I'll be blending all of that using a blending brush. I will be also contouring my nose using that dark shade from the Freedom contour kit, and I'll be blending that using my beauty blender. I've used that coral shade from the Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I'll be applying it on the apples of my cheeks using my fingers. Using the fingers gives the best application for this cream blush. I'll be using this Colorbar blush on top of the cream blush. The shade is Sweet Scarlet. This highlighter I'll be using as an eyeshadow today. I'll be taking that light orange shade and I'll be applying it on my crease line. Next, I'll be taking the dark brown shade and I'll be applying on the outer V of my eyes. Next, I'll be taking that light orange shade from the palette and I'll be applying on my eyelid area. And then I'll take the light golden shade to apply on the inner corners of my eyes. And also on the brow bone area. I'll be using L'Oreal Paris brow kit, and I'll be mixing both the wax and the powder from the kit to fill in the gaps in my brows. I've applied mascara. The mascara is from Essence. I forgot to film it. I've used this lip liner from Colorbar. The shade is Rosy Red. I'll be applying it all over my lip area. This lipstick from Colorbar, the shade is Peach Crush, and this lipstick goes very well with the lip liner that I have used. This combination instantly brightens up the face. For highlighter, I'll be using again that highlighter from L'Oreal Paris. I'll be mixing all the 4 shades and I'll be applying to my cheekbones and also on my brow bone. Followed by the bridge of the nose and also on my cupid's bow. And that is the finished look. I've added a pair of earrings because I wanted to create this festive glam look. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.